Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this bomb hair from Ali Pearl. I am wearing a 13x6 frontal and I'm wearing 4 bundles of 32 bundles of 32 inch, 1 30 inch and a 28 inch bundle. And I also made it into this little wig. I made it into a wig using a dome cap. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed and slayed this look, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this is the wig and this is how it looks. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I'm in love with this wig. The frontal, the quality, everything. So this is how it looks on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off around my ears, and once I finish cutting off around my ears, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my lace and begin installing it. So quick details on the hair: it is Brazilian straight hair. It didn't come pre-bleached. I did actually bleach it myself. I bleached it with the BW bleach and some 30 developer, and I let that sit for about 15 minutes, and then I washed it out with shimmer lights and then regular shampoo, and I did lightly pluck it. If you guys are interested in a pluck video, I do have one. I'm gonna have it listed in the description box so you guys can go ahead and watch that. But as of right now, I'm just going ahead and cutting around my lace, around my ears, not around my lace. So guys, just before I begin to cut the other side around my ear, I'm just going ahead and cutting off the extra lace, because y'all, if you didn't know, like if you have extra lace sitting on your face while your makeup is done, it will take off your eyebrows. So I always make sure that I just cut that lace off so it don't mess up my brows. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on after I done cut my lace, and just making sure that everything looks good. This hair, this frontal, this everything, like I love this hair. Ali Pearl hair is super bomb. Honestly guys, I have the hair in till this very moment and I don't want to take it off because it's just so nice. Like the quality of it is so nice. I haven't had good straight hair like this in a very long time, I promise y'all. So now I'm going in with my bold hold, and I'm just going ahead and putting that on my forehead. Usually I do 3 separate layers, but today I'm just going to be doing the whole front of my hair. I'm going to be doing 2 rounds of glue. The reason why I'm doing it this way is just because I'm kind of in a rush. I'm, like I said earlier, well, you guys didn't catch it, but I'm rushing to get to a photo shoot, so I'm actually speeding up the process right now. But I'm just showing you guys how I smoothly blend it all across my forehead. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put that second coat, and after I put that second coat, I'm just going to make sure I have it fully smeared around, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin applying the lace. So now that the glue is fully dry, I'm going to go ahead and place the lace down, and I'm slowly going to be tapping it, but as you guys can see, the lace is just melting perfectly. So there is a string of hair that was laying on the lace and the cap, so I went ahead and took it off. You guys never want to lay down your glue with strands showing, because it will make the install look super sloppy. And then I'm going ahead and going on the opposite side, and I'm just slowly, lightly tapping the lace on because the glue is fairly wet. So now I'm going in with the little corners that are not glued down, and I'm just pulling my hairs back. As you can see, I'm pulling the lace back just so that any hairs that aren't fully glued down, I can see them and I can go ahead and glue those small areas down. Guys, this is a very important step that you must follow. You need to make sure that your lace is fully glued down all around and there's not no little pieces that is just standing up. Now that that area has dried up some, I'm just going ahead and slightly tapping it. As you guys can see, I'm not really tapping it too hard, but I'm just making sure that it's actually melting. So I do see a little area that needs more glue, so I'm going ahead and applying. Now that everything's fully dry, I'm just going ahead and just tapping it in and just getting another confirmation and pushing it down, making sure everything's fully melted. Y'all, look at this install. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to begin my baby hairs. I really could leave it like this, but you guys know I'm not a fan of the no baby hair look. It's just not my look. It's giving like crazy maturity. Like, I just want my baby hairs, okay? I just want my baby hairs. So I'm going to go ahead and do my same baby hairs routine that I always do. And I'm going to be putting some gel. I'm going to be using the Got To Be gel. And I'm just using my edge toothbrush. And I'm just going to be cutting off if there's any longer strings that are still there after I cut my baby hairs with a razor. I do go ahead with scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my little swoops and continue this routine. I don't know about y'all, but I'm living for these baby hairs. Like, I swear. I don't know if it's the frontal or what, but these baby hairs right here came out super, super cute. Like, the hair itself, the way it's laying perfectly and melting with my skin. Like, y'all, if y'all didn't watch me put this wig on, I personally feel like, and it was way shorter and not 32 inches. It's no way you guys could have told me this wasn't my real hair. It's like, no way. So somebody asked me how I get my sideburns to be like so long like that, and how do I get them to stay flat against my face. So basically I do the same thing as my edges. Is when it comes to my sideburns, I actually cut a lot bit longer, because I like them to be really long and swooped. So after that, I'll just get the gel and I swoop it like a regular baby hair, and I trace it with my finger, and I just make sure that I push it down as I'm swooping. So basically it kind of like just sticks to my face a bit. So that's basically all I really do. Now I'm taking my Rust Thermal Oil, and I just love to rub that on my edges and throughout my hair. This is just going to give it a nice silky shiny look and avoid your hair from looking crispy. So while I was doing my hair, I did realize that my middle part was like completely off. So I'm going ahead and reparting it, and I'm going in with my hot comb. A lot of people have been asking me about my hot comb, and yes, these are my hot combs. I'm going to be adding these to my website. I'm starting a whole new product, well, like not a product, but I'm just starting a whole new little business with hot combs, wax sticks. I got a gel and everything coming out for you guys. So I went ahead with my makeup, and I spread it out my part more, and then I just sprayed that down with some oil sheen and some spritz, and now I'm getting ready for y'all. This is looking too good. I'm feeling myself, y'all. Like, this hair is amazing. Alright, y'all, so let me swallow some. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of the tutorial. This is how nice the hair is looking. For this to be a bonding wig and 4 bundles, I got this shit looking flat. I'm wearing hair from Ali Pearl, so I'm wearing a 13x6 frontal, and the frontal basically goes all the way out to right here, and then it also comes all the way to right there. So I love the look. It looks super nice. I'm kind of in a rush right now because I got a photo shoot to get to, and I'm gonna be running late, but I couldn't like not film this install, and I'm really on fleek. The lace on this hair is super nice. It's making me look giving you very Indian vibes. So if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you guys check out my description box. I have all the information listed down below about this hair from Ali Pearl. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.